high tech or high touch. That is becoming a very famous jargon these days. So I thought, why not to express my views on this? And obviously, I would love to listen to your perspective as well. Because as you know, whenever certain kinds of thought process comes to my mind, I always shoot a short video and share my perspective, and at the same time I expect your perspective which you want to listen to us. And that's the reason I always keep on sharing on multiple platforms, because people are different and different people are using different kind of platform these days. So it doesn't matter which platform you are in, you will always love to watch my videos. So again, here coming, high tech or high touch. It is not a very famous word in itself, but people has coined this word based on the situation. High tech simply means we are becoming alone day by day. It is not something like that we are accepting technology to improve our areas of work. At the same time, we are becoming alone. We don't need to depend on anyone else to ask certain things. Let me share one of the examples or one of the story or one of the incident which can give you a clear-cut indication that whether we are becoming high-tech or high-touch, what is the pros and cons of this. So one incident which I happened to see in one of my posts of LinkedIn, where I saw one post of Sachin Tendulkar. You must be aware of the Sachin Tendulkar, right? His name is something which need no introduction at all. So he was sharing one incident, and he was just talking about he was moving in Mumbai areas, and in one of the areas he got lost. His navigation system was not working properly and he had no clue how to move to the next place. And he was moving round and round and round. And at last he realized, why not to use old and traditional way to ask how to move outside and how to reach to the destination. So he stopped in one place and asked one auto wala in a simple Marathi language that how to move forward, how to move to the destination. And literally the guy helped him to move to the highway. And this is how he realized the potential of not high tech, high touch. People always believe in their emotions. People always believe in helping each other. Earlier we wanted technology to help us, but we are losing something. That's the reason I thought, why not to create a short video and understand people's perspective, that we are advancing, we are moving forward, but we are losing something. Now we are not realizing what we are losing, but after 5 years, after 10 years, you will certainly regret that we were not moving forward. We must have to carry something along the way. And this is called human being. Machine cannot replace human being. So this is what I wanted to share, the incident, and obviously I would love to listen to your perspective, that given in such a scenario, you would also love to take the help of the local people or people around. But at the same time, I just want to understand that we are moving forward with the technology, but are we missing something? If we are missing something, what are those? And that we need to highlight. So I would love to listen to your perspective, and you can share your perspective in the form of comment. And this is what I wanted, and that's the reason I shoot this video. So thank you guys for listening to me, and I would love to listen to you guys in the form of comment, and see you guys in my next video. Till the time, bye bye.